I'm inside my coop. Just a quick video of my toggle bucket feeder. I've taken the lid off. So my version has the toggle at the bottom, just like the ones you can see on the internet, and it works really well. But the modification I did was I bought this funnel from Autobarn. I think it's a 30 centimeter funnel. I've cut the edges of it and the bottom so that all the feed doesn't sit around the edge of the bucket. It sits at the top, and as they peck at it, it falls through the hole and it all gets nicely evicted out of the feeder. I'll pop in some feed and demonstrate. So there it is there. So I normally fill the bucket up to about here, and when they peck, it falls out quite nicely. And they've got used to pecking. It took them a couple of days to get used to it, but yeah. So the method is you drill a hole in the bottom, put a toggle in. The toggle is connected to a piece of wood or something at the bottom to give it a bit of weight, and they tap on it, the feed falls out. It took me a few attempts to get the hole to the right size. When it's too small, the feed just doesn't come out, and luckily I haven't gone too big, so I stopped at the right attempt, and it lets out the food. So I've got this hanging from the roof of the coop, and with the lid on, it's been waterproof. We've had a lot of rain here in Melbourne, and none of the feed has got wet. And there's tandoori eating some pellets. So yeah, really pleased with the way this works, and keeps the food dry. And so far the mice that live around my cage haven't been able to get in and help themselves. Thanks for watching.